In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Umamusume. So as you can see, I have in here this Reddit thread by this user showing us how to change language. So as you can see, they want to change or translate the game to English. And if you have the DMM version, you can use a Fabulous Cupcakes Translate. It directly edits mainly the skills and names. However, it's not a full translation. You can see right here this. So make sure to also use it as your own risk. So that is actually a precaution, and do also take note that this is just an educational content. So you can just head over and then do it on a mobile or emulator, but it might require root. So you can just click on the link and then just use it with caution as well. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to the GitHub site about the Hachimi onto the actual c- code for this. You can head over to the releases and installations for this as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.